The Siegele internship program started the past 2 years here, and this is the only time during the summer that all of the interns get together, and then they split up and do their own individual projects.
They spend the entire summer with us as part of this program for 400 hours, so as they're working with us on all these different projects, they learn how to do conservation and how to do the science to support conservation.
Siegele interns will come to this ranch for the first week, and we're kind of do a little bit of team building, so we kind of get to know each other through this very intense restoration work.
In Rifle Ranch, what we're mainly focused on is increasing biodiversity, helping the plants out and kind of like cutting down their competition and adding mulch around the plants.
It's sometimes very physically demanding in a pretty hot environment, but those help the students or interns to kind of build a relationship.
So far, my favorite part of working for the CNHP has been working hand in hand with some of the top conservation professionals and scientists in the state of Colorado. Having them as an available resource to turn to and learn from.
Just allows you to see the landscape in a different way by actually seeing the riparian areas and seeing how the water actually flows.
Doing hands-on work where you can see the impact happening is something I really enjoy.
If you were confronted with a real-life situation, it's much more interesting, I think, and effective learning to work with experiential ed hands-on. It becomes a complete learning experience.
So you want to do tilling. That's how we lost so much soil in the Dust Bowl, right? That's where the Soil Conservation Service started.
Just even today with the different groups that we had there, you could see the students really trying to figure out different jobs that exist out there from federal agencies like the NRCS, different nonprofits, and just kind of see the palette of possibilities that exist.
I think this really shows people that there are jobs like this in the real world. We get to meet mentors and really create connections with public network. It's only the second week, but I already know it's going to be a great experience and a great opportunity.
This project gives students the experience of being part of a team and working with professionals who are counting on them. So they have a lot of responsibility in this internship. Is something that makes this internship really valuable.
A more gratifying time for teachers is when students want to learn. It's really rewarding, it's heartwarming. You get to spend time with people who share values and have expertise and have enthusiasm. How much better could it be?